Welcome back to the chapter 16. This chapter will be discussing about how to verify menu combo box. We have a project already being created and I added one test case called 010 combo box test. Go to the website, log in and select Canada. Okay, next is after being selected, we are going to verify whether we have selected the state called Canada in our web page. Further, let's go to the home page and inspect the element. So when you inspect this element, select the state, it shows that the name is equal to the state. Now we have to write a code to verify that we have selected the state which we required. Example, I'm selecting Canada. Okay, so there are test cases. Normally we need to do a verification in the menu, drop down menu. If we have selected Canada, but due to some reasons, if it has been changed, then we consider that the test case has been failed. So it is important that we should do the verification of the menu combo box. So here I'm going to write a local locator for that one in a local manner. String, write locator for state. So I'll put the name as state. Okay, the state is basically comes from here when you inspect the element, as we have seen. Okay, now I'll be writing iWeb element, put combo box equal driver dot find element by dot name, because this is a name, the state is a name here. If we come over here, this is equal name equal to state, so I'm going to use the same over here, my name, and I'll write the locator name, locator for state, semicolon close. Okay, here I'll type select element selected value equal to new select element from where? From the combo box. So basically this combo box is nothing but the value of find element by name locator for state. Okay, now we should see which element has been selected. Okay, in order to we have to check whether Canada has been selected. So here this says that select element combo box. That will return you the selected value. Okay, now what is the selected values text? That's what we are going to get it. Okay, how to do that? Put string, let's put return return text is equal to selected value dot selected option dot text. So this should return you the text equivalent to Canada if we have selected Canada here, and if that is equal to the return text, then we can say the text has passed, right? So we can write a logic for that one. If return text equal to Canada, then we can write console dot write line say test case passed, else test case failed, and click on the junk ID now to make it firstly fail, and such that you can see red line here. So now let's do a debugging session. It has a breakpoint. You can see that here, right here, the Canada has been selected automatically. Now these steps are going to verify whether Canada has been selected as one of the drop down on select your state drop down menu. Yeah, unfortunately the test case has been failed because it came to the catch. Okay, why did this fail? Let's go back and check. Yeah, and this point is failed because the shade is not recognized. Yeah, because you see here shade is capital, state is S is capital here, so you need to type that there. So let's close this and close this window and type it back again to capital S. And let's do the tests again. Okay. Okay. So let's mouse over our. Okay, return text is equal to Canada. You can see that is return Canada. Okay, so F10 again. Okay, test case passed. Fine, execute the driver, everything is good. So this is how you normally test in a combo box whether the specific drop down menu is selected or not. I've used an example of the state or a province, but we have the name is state here, so you need to use the same thing, and the capital letter S. These things are must while you do that, otherwise test case will fail. So this is one way of verifying menu combo box. Now let's think about a situation that we are supposed to select a drop down menu called as Canada here. think a scenario that it is not selected due to some reasons. So we have to forcefully make it to selected. How do we do that? Okay, we can write the code for that one. How do we do that? If return text is equal to Canada, okay, write down, you can say that so here I can say that my return text is equal to Canada. They can write console.write line already selected. Here we can say Canada is not selected. Selected. So select it now. That's it. We will remove this one. Here I am forcefully making the drop down menu to be selected, and that value should return the value as Canada if not selected. Okay, so that's the meaning. So let's put this here. Okay, let's run this test case again with the breakpoint here. So you see here right now, return text is Bulgaria, because I changed it to forcefully here. Now definitely not go to this if part, it will go to the else part, and when it comes to else part, it will show you Canada is not selected, so select it now. That will display in the console. And now we are going to forcefully make to select Canada. So this is how you will be using how to select certain drop down menu if not selected. You will use this extensively in your test cases when you work in the industry. So this is a simple method of how to do that. Hope you like it, and please subscribe us. I'll come back with another new topic in chapter 17. Thank you very much, and bye.